Here is how you can make a delicious beef stroganoff. In this video, I will be making a lot of stroganoff, enough for dinner for a full week. However, you can always scale down the amount of ingredients depending how much you want to make. The most important ingredient is the baby bell mushroom, which are baby versions of portobello mushrooms. I will be using about 16 ounces worth. You will also need some sour cream, approximately half of this, half of an onion, Worcestershire sauce, some white cooking wine, and beef broth. If you can't find white cooking wine, any neutral dry white wine is going to be good as well. You can use Sauvignon Blanc, for example. The beef broth is there as a cooking liquid, but you can always substitute that with water as well. You will, of course, also need beef for stew, about 2 pounds in my example, and some flour. Start by dicing the onion. Put the onion in a pot with about 8 tablespoons worth of oil. Wash the mushrooms and slice them into approximately quarter-sized pieces. Fry the onion until it is glassy. Then add the mushrooms. Continue stirring You can even add a little bit of water to prevent burning. Until the mushrooms release their juices, shrink, and brown all over. Remove from heat and put it to the side. For the beef, slice them into 1/2 inch to 1 inch sized pieces. And roll them in some flour. Shake any excess flour off while taking out the pieces. Preheat a thin layer of oil in a deep pan. Add the beef. And stir until all the beef is brown on the surface. You may add a little beef broth to prevent burning. Once the beef is brown, add the onion and mushroom. Add a healthy amount of Worcestershire sauce the cooking wine, then bring back to a boil. And then cover and cook on medium for about 50 minutes. Stir occasionally to make sure the stew doesn't stick to the bottom. And if necessary, top off the liquid by adding a little extra beef broth. If you are cooking a lot of stroganoff at once, like I do, there will obviously be a lot of leftovers. You can put these in the freezer and then reheat them the same way you would normally cook the stroganoff. And depending on your taste, add even more Worcestershire sauce, but don't overdo it. While waiting, you can start preparing your side dish. I like mine with pasta. But you can also eat stroganoff with boiled potatoes. I start making my side dish at the 30-minute mark. About 45 minutes in, start checking whether the beef is well cooked. And if satisfied, add the sour cream. Again, approximately half of this container. You may add more. Stir it in. Top of the liquid again, one final time. And now just let it cook until the sauce thickens to desire. Keep stirring so that the sour cream doesn't stick. Have good appetite and have a great week.